Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0873, refers to a problem related to the transmission fluid pressure switch C, particularly the fourth clutch circuit. This component is essential for monitoring the hydraulic pressure supplied to the fourth clutch within the transmission system. When the correct hydraulic pressure is present, the switch indicates so by turning on. And when pressure is absent, it turns off. The input from this switch goes to the powertrain control module, PCM, which interprets these signals to execute smoother gear shifts, particularly during the transition from the third to the fourth gear. If the PCM detects an off signal while engaging the fourth gear, it concludes that a failure has occurred, leading to the logging of the DTC. Understanding this DTC is crucial for diagnosing transmission issues and ensuring a properly functioning vehicle transmission system. The transmission fluid pressure switch C is a key component situated in the hydraulic pressure circuit specifically linked to the fourth clutch. This switch monitors the hydraulic pressure applied to the clutch, thereby influencing its engagement and disengagement in the transmission. When hydraulic pressure is adequate, the switch closes and sends an on signal to the PCM. Conversely, a lack of pressure results in an off signal, indicating that the fourth clutch is not engaged. The PCM relies heavily on this input to ensure smooth shifts between gears, particularly from third to fourth gear. If it senses a discrepancy between the pressure signals, it flags this issue by storing the DTC in its memory, drawing attention to a possible malfunction in the switch, the wiring, or potentially in the PCM itself. A few key potential causes can lead to the DTC P0873 being triggered. One common issue could be a short circuit in the wiring connected to the transmission fluid pressure switch C, causing it to send a continual high signal to the PCM. Alternatively, an open circuit can occur due to loose or disconnected connections, resulting in a lack of necessary signals. Another possibility includes the switch itself being stuck in the off position despite the hydraulic pressure being present, which would also confuse the PCM. Lastly, a failure within the PCM's internal circuitry could misinterpret normal signals, leading to unneeded DTCs. Each of these scenarios must be investigated to ascertain the precise failure. Symptoms associated with DTC P0873 can manifest in various noticeable ways. The vehicle's malfunction indicator lamp, commonly known as the MIL, will activate when this code is stored, alerting the driver to an underlying problem. Additionally, the automatic transmission AT gear position indicator may begin to blink, signaling a transmission issue or failure. As the PCM interprets incorrect signals from the transmission fluid pressure switch C, the car may experience irregular shifting or difficulty engaging the fourth gear, leading to potential performance issues. If such symptoms arise, it is crucial to follow through with diagnostics to determine the extent of the malfunction and ensure safe vehicle operation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0873 involves starting the engine and driving the vehicle in fourth gear for a minimum period of at least 4 seconds. This operation allows the PCM to continuously monitor the hydraulic pressure switch's function. By checking if it can correctly interpret the input signal it receives from the switch, it's essential that the driving occurs under safe traffic regulations to ensure both safety and the accuracy of results observed. Utilizing the High-Definition Diagnostic System, HDS, would provide diagnostic feedback to help determine if the issue recurs. This step allows the technician to confirm whether the initial reading of the DTC was accurate and establishes if the transmission behaves appropriately under load. The next troubleshooting step requires checking for any active Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, once you've completed the initial driving test. Utilizing a diagnostic tool like the HDS ensures that all potential codes are analyzed, allowing you to gather a comprehensive overview of the vehicle's health. If there are active codes unrelated to the transmission fluid pressure switch C circuit, they may provide additional context to the issue at hand. Any previously recorded pending or confirmed DTCs must also be taken into consideration, as they may indicate underlying problems that affect the switch's operation. By correlating these codes, you can better pinpoint how to proceed with further diagnostics or repairs. After performing potential repairs or replacements based on earlier diagnostic findings, it is critical to conduct a final repair verification to ensure that the issue has been resolved. This procedure begins by using a scan tool to clear the previously logged DTCs from the PCM, followed by a thorough test drive to see if the DTC reappears or if the MIL illuminates again. Multiple driving cycles may be necessary to confirm that the repair was effective. During the test drive, it is important to observe how the vehicle performs, particularly during gear shifts, ensuring that there are no symptoms signaling a transmission failure. Successful verification means that the malfunction has been addressed and the vehicle is functioning as intended. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding DTC P0873 in the future. Regularly checking and maintaining the transmission fluid at the recommended levels is essential to sustaining a well-functioning transmission system. Low transmission fluid can create excessive heat and wear, hindering the operation of components like the fluid pressure switch. In addition to fluid checks, it is prudent to inspect electrical wiring and connectors associated with the transmission fluid pressure switch C periodically. Ensuring there are no loose connections or signs of wear reinforces reliability and helps to prevent unexpected failures. Implementing these practices can enhance longevity and performance of the vehicle transmission. In summary, understanding the various components involved in DTC P0873, particularly the transmission fluid pressure switch C, is instrumental in diagnosing this transmission-related issue. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach allows technicians to accurately assess and rectify problems that may arise. Addressing this error promptly can prevent further transmission damage and improve overall driving performance. Furthermore, engaging in preventive measures, such as regular maintenance checks, contributes significantly toward the reliability of the transmission system. By equipping yourself with knowledge about this DTC and its root causes, you can ensure more effective vehicle operations and extend the lifespan of the transmission. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.